In this video, I'm going to show you how to do two things. The first is to create a subdomain, and the second is to upload your entire website in one step, instead of having to upload each file in groups or file by file. So why would you want to create a subdomain? A subdomain is, I should say, here's your main domain. For me, let me go to gasconation.com here. Gasconation.com. Oh, this goes to my ticker page. But if you go to gasconation.com, you'll see Gasconation is my main domain. That is my domain. But what if I wanted to make a subdomain? Let's say you want this domain, in my case Gasconation, if you want this domain for more than just your intro to information systems project. And you don't want your landing area, so in this case, when somebody goes to gasconation.com, I don't want them to land on my IS project page. Instead, I want them to land on my professional page for whatever purpose. And so for the purposes of this class, if you want to create a subdomain instead, you can do that. And here's how you do it. And it'll make more sense as we go. First off, once you log in and you're on your dashboard, just hit Control F or Command F and look for subdomain. There it is, subdomain right here. Click on that. And this, of course, only works if you're in BYU domains. If you are using a different system to host your website, there will be a similar feature, but obviously it won't work the exact same way as the BYU domains. Once you get here, you're going to create a subdomain. Let's say I want to create my IS project at gasconation.com or .gasconation.com. So what will happen is when people go to this URL, myisproject.gasconation.com, they'll see my project. But when they go to just gasconation.com, they'll see whatever my professional website is. So I hit create, and it's thinking. And when it's successful, it will tell you it was successful. Now there is a place on the internet called myisproject.gasconation.com. I can actually go there right now. Let's see. myisproject.gasconation.com, and you notice there's nothing there, so except a folder. So let's go put something there, and that's what the second part of this video is about, is how to upload an entire website in one step. So to do that, let's go back to our dashboard and go to the file manager. Where'd you go, file manager? Right there, file manager. And we're going to navigate in our directory area here to my IS project. There it is. It's been created. I'm going to click on that, and here we go. If I click on it, it shows everything in there. Right now the only thing in there is CGI bin. Let's go ahead and keep that there. It's not doing us any harm. And we're going to click on upload, and then we're going to upload a whole zipped folder. So to do that, we're going to go to our local folder on our computer. For me, it's in my downloads folder, in my Start Bootstrap Casual folder, and inside the root directory, this is very important, not up here, but actually inside the root directory where you see the CSS folder and all these other folders and all these pages, select all of that. And right click anywhere if you're on a PC. If you're on a Mac, what we're doing is we're just sending this to a compressed folder. So however you compress things on a Mac, do it that way. So I'm going to send to a compressed folder. Sorry, that's kind of clipped off. And name it whatever you want. I'll name it Gasconation. You can name it Bob. It doesn't really matter. We're not going to keep that name. What we're going to do, though, is we're going to drag this folder over to your browser and stick it on the upload page. It uploads, and once it's successfully uploaded, it will turn green. There we go. And now let's go back to our project manager, or our file manager. Notice it's not here yet. What we have to do is reload this page using this reload button. Please don't use this reload button. So go down here, reload. Now you see zip is there. It is useless at this point. What we have to do is extract it. So go ahead and click on it, single click, and you're going to go to extract right here. Okay, extract files, yes, to that default location, and it will say, success boss, we extracted these files. Right now it's, I'm zoomed in a little bit, there we go. Close that. Notice it is all extracted, and now if I go to this page, myisproject.gasconation.com, refresh it, we should see, there it is, there's the website, and Shaq and Cat. And everything should work just fine. We uploaded the entire website in one fell swoop. We can click on the Tableau page, see our Tableau dashboards, etc. It all navigates just fine. So that's how you do it. Hope that was helpful. Actually, there's one more thing I want to show you. What if you want to replace just one file on your page? Let's say you upload it and you realize, there's something that's wrong, like I have a typo or something, I spelled Tableau wrong, or the link doesn't work, or the picture doesn't work, and I want to change one page. How do I just change one page? Here's how you do it. Back in, let's see, let me bring up brackets here. Here's brackets. Let me go to my index page, and let's say I wanted to change the name. Instead of Gasconation, I wanted to make it, let's see, where'd it go? Where's Gasconation? Let's say I want to make it, here it is right here. I wanted to make it BYU Nation. BYU Nation, something like that. Save that, and now I've only changed the index page. Nothing else has changed. So what I can do is, if I'm on BYU domains, and it's going to work similar for other hosting services, but I'm going to go to the File Manager, and when I'm in the folder where that file lives, which for me is my isproject.gasconation.com, I'm going to click on Upload, and then I'm just going to drag that saved file, again for me that was index, I'm just going to drag that saved file over into the browser, and it's going to say, whoa, there's one that already exists called index. Are you sure you want to overwrite it? Because this will delete the existing version. And the answer is yes, I want to overwrite it. It does overwrite, and now when I go to my website and I refresh this, notice it will say at the top BYU Nation instead of Gasconation. So we changed one file. Everything else works just the same. It's all linked properly, but that's how you change one file. Hope that helps.